Rising from the open grassland of western South Dakota, where the prairie gives way to the timbered uplift of the Black Hills, sits a property unlike anything the region has offered before. Bear Ridge Compound, 120 contiguous acres on Bear Ridge Road, presented for the first time in its current form. This is land with structure and variety. From the lower meadows along Beaver Creek on the eastern boundary, the ground rises through rolling pasture and stands of ponderosa pine and hardwood timber. 3 steep timbered canyons cut into the property, carving privacy and shelter into the terrain. Level improved benches hold the residence, the lodge, and the airstrip, while the back country falls away into some of the most secluded ground you will find at this size. Water defines the east end. A live spring feeds a 1-acre pond that holds water year-round, and the spring canyon above it carries seasonal flow that sustains the wildlife habitat across the eastern reaches. At the heart of the West 40 stands a custom main residence of 6,536 square feet. 2 main floor master suites, 2 full kitchens, a great room anchored by a rock fireplace sourced from the property itself, and wraparound decking that captures the prevailing views. Across the East 80, the Cow Palace Lodge offers full service capacity for hunting parties and family gatherings, with bunk space for 20, a full kitchen and wet bar, and a Western theme throughout. A 3-building shop complex, including a new shop completed in 2025, handles equipment, storage, and aviation support, and 2 fully finished guest cabins at 2,400 and 1,700 square feet sit move-in ready near the pond. Then there is the runway, a private grass airstrip over 1,700 feet long, oriented to the prevailing winds, an amenity that simply cannot be permitted and built at will on most properties in the Black Hills. It places this ranch within same-day private flight access from the Colorado Front Range, the Twin Cities, and Texas. The open benches and meadows support hay production and seasonal grazing, ready for a small cattle, horse, or mixed livestock operation. The fenced perimeter, the interior roads, and the shop complex are already in place, so an agricultural program runs alongside the recreation without conflict and without startup capital. Over a mile of game fencing enclose a managed wildlife habitat that has matured under the current ownership, with resident wildlife documented on trail cameras throughout the property. This is a turnkey legacy property. The lodge, the cabins, the airstrip, and the fenced habitat can host multiple groups at once, all without crowding the privacy of the main residence. Every road, pad, fence, well, and structure is the product of years of sustained private investment. Infrastructure that cannot be replicated at today's construction and permitting costs. Bear Ridge Compound has never been publicly offered in its present form. The setting is the premier recreational corridor of the Northern Plains. Custer State Park, Mount Rushmore National Memorial, Spearfish Canyon, and the Black Elk Wilderness all lie within a comfortable drive. Whether you arrive down Bear Ridge Road or land directly on the grass, you arrive home. For more information or to schedule a private showing, contact Jeff Garrett or Carrie Engelman, or visit HaydenOutdoors.com today.